fasten your seatbelts. Today, we're taking a hard look at some tragic road moments. A powerful reminder of the importance of caution behind the wheel. Let's dive in.
Do it, we train for this, and
A firefighter was injured while trying to rescue the occupants of a SUV that had become lodged on top of a Volvo sedan. As firefighters tried to stabilize the SUV, the driver of one of the vehicles hit the gas and caused a car to fall and pin firefighter. This is the shocking moment a train smashes into a lorry on a level crossing after the trucker fails to hear the blaring horn and drives straight into its path. Swift reflexes of the driver saved all people. This is the shocking moment a speeding car loses control on a residential street and plows into a house before its occupants flee the scene. The dramatic incident, captured on CCTV, shows the turbocharged BMW 320 smashing into the front garden of the house in Bradford, West Yorks. Luckily, no one was seriously injured. A harrowing ordeal unfolded as a truck careened down a steep incline before overturning. As reported, the driver survived the accident. I know there is a stop sign, but no need to stop this dramatic. That's why people get scared of driving near trucks. The stolen vehicle smashed through a barrier on a dead-end street, flipping as it plummeted down a steep hill and staircase. A driver ran a red light and collided with another vehicle, flipped over, and landed on a third car after narrowly missing a man on a crosswalk. This is truly an alarming call for all hapless drivers. An armored vehicle of the Venezuelan National Guard was filmed driving straight into a crowd of protesters on the streets of Caracas. The incident happened in 2019. Observe the surroundings and adjust your speed. A driver in New York barely avoided being flattened on a bridge last week when a semi lost its load and flopped over in front of him. It's a lesson for all drivers to be on high alert when such massive vehicles approach us.
What? Get back, get back, get back.
A catastrophic collision occurred at a railway crossing when a truck trailer became lodged on the tracks, leaving it vulnerable to an oncoming train. The ensuing impact resulted in a devastating scene of destruction. Impatience is clearly a factor in this severe accident. Apparently, the white SUV was at fault for taking a curve improperly, which caused T-bone collision with another vehicle heading straight on the main road. Luckily, there was no serious injury. This is the shortest police chase we've ever seen. Levels of stupidity double at intersections. This could have been avoided with more responsible driving. Red light runners are one of the reasons why we never have a peaceful day on the road. A U-turn can be one of the most dangerous maneuvers one can pull off in traffic if executed with a complete lack of awareness. Does anyone know what happened to this white SUV?
Put your hands up! Stay in the car! Hey, if you move on...
The police car ran a red light and was struck by another vehicle, flipping over but quickly landing back on its wheels. That's why we should remove all red light runners' driver's licenses. This driver, who was accused of stabbing a Jupiter doctor, was spotted fleeing northbound at more than 120 miles per hour. The suspect dangerously attempted to elude deputies, but they were able to slow him down using stop sticks and eventually stop him. He was taken into custody and faces multiple charges, including attempted murder. No one was injured during the pursuit and arrest.
Back southbound.
The hatchback runs a red light and gets serious damage after the collision with another vehicle. This motorcyclist risks his life by riding between two trucks. Unless you have years of experience, don't do this.
Probably go by ground. Probably go by ground shipping then. I don't think people in a longer mileage be. But I don't know.
Apparently, slippery road is the culprit of such an accident. Be careful driving in the rain. It's frustrating to see people run red lights. They're putting themselves and others in serious danger. Crowded traffic turns into chaos when a car suddenly explodes its tire and loses control.